In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Jobber account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to contact the right team, and what to expect once you send your request. Begin by opening your browser and heading to your Jobber home dashboard. Sign in as you normally would. Landing on the dashboard is important because it gives you access to the built-in help tools and ensures you're working from the correct account. If you manage more than one workspace, quickly confirm you're in the one you want removed so there's no confusion later. From here, deletion is handled directly by Jobber's support team, so the next move is to contact them. Look for the messages or chat icon inside your dashboard. On desktop, it's often at the bottom right, and on mobile, it may appear under a help menu. Open a new conversation and clearly state that you want to permanently delete your account. Keep the message straightforward so it can be routed quickly. Support may ask you to confirm details tied to the account and the specific workspace you want deleted. That's normal and helps protect your security. If you can't access the Messages tab for any reason, you still have a path forward. Click on Jobber AI in the interface and search for Jobber support. In the search, type something like delete account or contact support, then follow the prompts to connect with a human or open a support request. This is simply another doorway to the same team, and it's especially helpful if the chat option isn't visible on your screen. Once your request is in, keep an eye on your inbox and the in-app chat for a response. The team will confirm what happens next and when the account will be deactivated. Timelines can vary, so don't worry if it's not instant. Replies typically arrive during business hours. If you don't see a response right away, leave the tab open or check back later. A couple of quick tips to make things smooth. Make sure you're signed in as an owner or admin for the account you want removed. Clearly mention that you're requesting a permanent deletion rather than just cancelling a plan, and double check that you're referencing the correct workspace. Also remember that deletion is permanent. Once it's done, you won't be able to sign back in or retrieve information from that account. To recap, go to your Jobber home dashboard, contact support from the messages area, or, if that's not available, use Jobber AI to search for Jobber support. Send your deletion request, respond to any verification questions, and await confirmation. That's all you need to do.